Good day, all of you. So now we are looking at how we can basically run a very simple hello application using a node container. So let me get back to my terminal. So you can see that if I try to docker ps, there is no container which is running as of now. So we have already pulled the node docker image in the previous demonstration. We'll be making the use of that. So so for example, I think we are so for before I do that, let me create one directory, mkdir. I will call it as node directory, right? I will navigate to that particular directory, node. So if I do pwd, you can see that the present working directory is node. So let me create one of the file. I will call it as hello.js, right? So if I go to the insert mode now, so for example, console.log, and for example, I will be running hello from. So this is the application, simple application, and I will be this one. So escape and let me save my work. So if I try to do cat, you can see the contents of this particular file. So that is okay. I will clear my screen, and now I will be trying to run the container in a similar way, right? So I think in the previous demonstration we have executed a simple Python program using a Python container. So now we are going to execute a simple program in the Node.js as a language using a node container, right? So docker run, I will be again, so this is a file which we have created, exist in the or resides in the local host, not in the container, right? Therefore we need to map a volume from the local host to that of the container. So let's do that. We'll be making the use of the pwd, and so it should be basically mapped to, let's say, the directory name is nothing but node, right? So that is okay. And for example, I can also give the application path. So let's give the path as nothing but node. And now I will be, so here if so this is the path. You can see that I have given my minus w flag basically represents working directory, and the path which we have given is nothing but the node directory which we have created previously, right? You can also see here that my present working directory is nothing but node. So this is the path, and the way I have highlighted the word node, so this is this basically represents or implies two words: the node docker image, which basically resides in our disk as of now, right? So for example, I go here, and now I will be giving the application hello.js. so if I run this particular command, let's see what happens. So you can see that we have got the output hello from cybersec nerd. So we have successfully executed our program with the help of a node container image which we ran now. So this is what our intention was to cover in this particular video. Thank you. See you in the next.